So she's standing on the corner, going like, oh, I'm promoting life. There's so many things you can do. Like you can kick it, you know, like kick it. There's endless things that you can do. So I don't get it. Why are you bored?
Darkness falls across the land. The midnight hour is close at hand. Creatures crawl in search of blood to terrorize your neighborhood.
Always putting in your 2 cents. But you ain't even making no sense. All you wanna do is go shady. Mad at whoever getting paid.